positioned the electric charger right about here. I advised them that I wanted it to be located a little further up rather than being located further down. That way, in case I get an SUV in the future, it wouldn't block the parking or or have any issue with the parking. So I advised them to put the charger a little bit up here, and this is my parking spot. So the installation is coming along. Coming along. Tomorrow, the installation will be continued, and the charger will be placed right here. Well,
So,
I just
all right,
can't
guys,
wait.
we're back, and this is day number 2 of the Condo electric charger installation. So I haven't yet seen it, and I haven't tested it out. So, yeah, here's the electrical room again, and as you can see, he's run the wires right above here. He's run the wires, and he's sealed everything up nice and professionally. Yesterday when I had a look at this, the wires were not yet sealed. So it looks like, yep, he's run the poles, he's run all the wires, and amazing. 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 Oh, amazing. Left a nice clean up all the holes he had to drill and ran the wires. Now let's visit the actual parking spot. And then we're going to get the vehicle and then we're going to test it out. Oh, there she is. Amazing. Amazing. There she is. Oh, you ready? So he's ran the wires up from here and ran them around here. Oh, even installed a protective wall, and this he did it himself. I didn't even ask for this. So I guess this is to prevent any vehicle damaging the electric charger, which is located right here. And I got the all black, and it looks like we have a green signal. Oh, this is amazing. I'm really glad that he put this protective barrier here. So just in case, say you're driving a SUV or a truck and you end up smashing it, this will protect your wall charger. And it's always good and recommended to have this. So, look at this. Electrical Tesla charging station has been installed. Now, all we have to do is test it out. So let me go get the vehicle and let's test it out. All right, we got the vehicle. And this is going to be our first charge. Basically, the first time we're getting a chance to go in our parking spot. And the Tesla Model 3 is going to receive its first charge. No more public charging. Yeah.
So if you need a public charger installed in your condo parking spot, you can contact Signature Electric if you live in Canada. I'll have their number located in the description. So, yeah, it's time. Parking spot just around this corner here. Very nice. Great position. All right. Let's open up the charge port. Let's charge the vehicle for the very first time. Been waiting a really long time for this. And here we go. Charge port is open. Charger's right here. Take it out of the charger. Plug it right in. Oh, and we got a green light. Oh. Oh, yeah. You got a green light. And you know what the green light means? It's charging. Let's open up the vehicle and let's check this out. Oh, yes. It works. All right, guys. The installation was fast and really didn't require me to be there. All I had to do was provide him with the wall unit, and basically that was it. After I provided the wall unit, I got my installation date. It took about 2 days to do because the first day he had to do all the drilling through the pipes and all that stuff, and the concrete and all that stuff, and set up all the electrical wiring. And then the second day, he was able to actually install the wall unit and get everything going. So as you can see, it is charging. It works. It's going to make everything a lot more convenient. And now range anxiety is completely gone because I don't have to worry about going to a public charger or leaving my home. I can now just come home and charge up my vehicle. Um, it's been a long process, but finally we're here. Finally we have it done, and it doesn't get any better than this. All right, guys.
So that was the installation video. That's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day.
Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.